This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today I've been tasked with removing quarter round, and I also want to get rid of the little nails that are stuck in the wall, and that's really what I'm trying to talk about right here. These are the little brad nails, or they're nails that are shot into the trim, the quarter round, with a pneumatic gun, and they're long, they're skinny, they're flexible, and they break off easily, and they're really sharp. So since I have kids, I really don't want anybody coming up next to the edge in the time between removing this and putting in the new one. I might be getting hurt. So I try to remove them all. To remove the quarter round, we need a hammer and a crowbar. And you just take the crowbar and stick it at the top, whack it a few times, and pry up. This quarter round right here comes up really easily, super easy. It feels like it's still wet with paint. That's not fun. And then I run my hand along. Right there is a nail that we're going to remove. Here's one. Not all of them come out beautifully. Over here. And if you take your pliers and you just pull one of them, a lot of times they'll just break off. So what I found is that there's a few tricks. One is to use something else for leverage, a lever of some sort. Grab onto it, and you can just go like this and pull down or push down. And if that doesn't want to come right away, you can also try to wiggle it a little bit. And if it doesn't break off on you, try it again. There we go. And there it is. It just came out. And so this is what I'm doing, going around. Let's try one more together and see if we can get it to come out easily. Run my hand along it. There's one right there. Grab it, wiggle it back and forth, and gently pull it up. Still there. I think the tip broke off. There we go. Grab it again. I had some of these that were in the middle of our living room, dining room, and I needed to get them up. And it was a pain. There we go. And there it is. Okay, it takes a little bit of muscle, pushing on it. But that's my technique for getting these out. And if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. Thank you to my camera girl for helping me out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.